Dear students, today's topic is Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr model of the atom was proposed by Niels Bohr in 1915. It came into existence with the modification of Rutherford's model of an atom. Rutherford's model introduced the nuclear model of an atom, in which he explained that a nucleus is surrounded by negatively charged electrons. Bohr modified this atomic structure model by explaining that electrons move in a fixed orbital and not anywhere in between, and he also explained that each orbit has a fixed energy level. Rutherford basically explained the nucleus of an atom, and Bohr modified that model into electrons and their energy levels. Bohr's model consists of a small nucleus which is positively charged, surrounded by negative electrons moving around the nucleus in orbits. Bohr found that an electron located away from the nucleus has more energy, and electrons close to the nucleus have less energy. Do you know, students, when table salt or sodium chloride is thrown on LPG gas stove flame, immediately yellow spark form on that place. If sodium metal put in water, it burns to give a yellow flame. On road, sodium vapor lamp gives a yellow color light. From all above example, the electron of sodium absorbs energy and goes to outermost shell and come back to inner shell by emitting energy. The difference of energy level of these two shells of a sodium is fixed. This difference is similar to energy of yellow light. Therefore, in above example, same specific yellow light emitted. Postulates of a Bohr's model of an atom. In an atom, electrons, which are negatively charged, revolve around the positively charged nucleus in a definite circular path called as orbits or shells. Each orbit or shell has a fixed energy, and these circular orbits are known as orbital shells. The energy levels are represented by an integer known as quantum numbers. This range of quantum numbers starts from nuclear side with having a lowest energy level. The orbit 1, 2, 3, 4 are assigned as KLMN shells, and when an electron attains the lowest energy level, it is said to be in the ground state. The electron in an atom move from a lower energy level to a higher energy level by gaining the required energy, and an electron moves from a higher energy level to lower energy level by losing energy. Limitations of Bohr's model of an atom. Bohr's model of an atom failed to explain the Zeeman effect, which is effect of a magnetic field on the spectra of atoms. It also failed to explain the Stark effect, which is effect of electric field on the spectra of atoms. It could not explain the spectra obtained from larger atoms.